Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add your Instagram reels back into your profile page, like onto the grid section, which is here. So go to your profile page first and select the reels icon and select the reel that you want to bring back to the profile grid. So I'm just going to select this one. Select the three lines here, three dots, that's what I meant, and select manage, and then select add to profile grid. So if you went back to your profile grid, the video will be there, and that's pretty much it. It's super simple, but if that's what you want, you're just going to do that. And here you can remove from profile grid by selecting the three dots again and selecting remove from profile grid. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.